What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is going to be an unboxing video of the stainless steel gold 44mm Apple Watch. If you haven't seen that, this is going to be a good video for you to watch to see the true colors of the stainless steel Apple Watch and how it compares to the aluminum. I will tell you, it does look pretty nice, so you're going to want to stay tuned until the rest of the unboxing to actually see this color. I did another video of unboxing the iPhone 11, and that video got over 30,000 views. So this video, I'm sure a lot of people are going to be wanting to see the actual color. So without further ado, after you guys hit that like button, hit it now. Let's jump right into it. So this is the box. This is the Apple Watch Series 6, 44mm. If you haven't seen the box, they have it's a long rectangular box, as always. I just love that plastic, as always. Now this box is kind of interesting because they have these circles on it that just flip out. It's my first Apple Watch unboxing experience. I had one before, but it was a Series 4 I bought pre-owned from Facebook Marketplace. So there you go. It's got a nice little packaging there, like as always. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. It's all the way around. All around. All right, so we got two boxes on the inside. We got one has the Apple Watch and one for the band. All right, so let's start off with the band itself. You got a little green little pull tab right here that we're gonna just pull off and hopefully lift. Yep. So gold stainless steel metal loop. They also have the infinity loop ones that I plan on getting in the future because it just seems so effortless and easy. This comes with your typical paperwork. We're going to set that aside. Apple Watch. This might be backwards. Hopefully it's not. Alright, here we go. So it looks like a little pull tab. Oh. Even that was satisfying. You just pull that off. Bam. There you have it. All right, so that's the loop. It's pretty straightforward. The little band there. Oop, missed it. A little sticky. All right, let's check out the Apple Watch. I actually brought my knife, but I guess I'm not gonna need to use it, which is nice. I forgot that Apple has all these pull tabs to make it super easy. So very simple. It's just got the lettering on the back, and this one doesn't even have plastic on it. The other one did, which is kind of weird, kind of interesting. All right, so designed by Apple. Here we go. Says here the instructions, how to charge it, so forth. Comes with a charger. 2021 comes with the charger. But it does not come with the charging block. Well, at least we got one. Hopefully, let's see if this is USB-A. Yep, it is. I'm just gonna slide that out. USB-A to Apple Watch connector. is what I'm gonna call it. I wonder if they call it something. It's probably in here somewhere. Now this is interesting. You might not have heard this before. I haven't heard of anybody talking about this. I haven't really heard of anybody talking about the Apple Watch stainless steel, but whenever I see it, like whenever you see it on somebody, you could tell there's a big difference. And I'm gonna open up the Apple Watch in just a second, but you can't help to stop to admire the stainless steel work around this. See how shiny that is? On the other Apple Watch, it was just like a plain little white thing. And even this white part is glossy. It's something simple, but at least you get a little bit of an upgrade when you're going to this stainless steel watch. All right, so this part, I believe in the past used to be plastic, and it's not plastic anymore. I think they just switched it over with this generation. It feels like a compostable material, which is, at least that's something that's actually better for the environment. Looks like I'm messing it up here. There we go. Do not drop this, whatever you do. So that is what it looks like. It's nice and shiny. Let me focus here. This is the cellular version. You could tell by the little red ring right there. Nice and shiny. All right. Now let's try to put this on. I haven't put on a metal band like this before on the Apple Watch, so I don't know if they just clamp on any which way. I think it's a sliding mechanism. Let's check first. Looks like there's a SIM card under there. If you know which way this clamps on, let me know down in the comments, because I might be clamping it on wrong. But we may find out if I'm clamping it on wrong as soon as I try to put it on. If you guys haven't seen a stainless steel Apple Watch in person, or you're not familiar with it, shoot this video a like. Oh, there we go. Sometimes you gotta twist it a little bit to get it in there. All right. I think when I was trying this on at the Apple store, they had it the other way. So I do think I put it on wrong. Okay, so this is a magnetic band. So check this out. Oh, had another little plastic there. So you see this part? It just magnetized. Now what I was doing earlier, I would just lift it up to where it's right there, and then just be a little lazy and slip it in and pull it. Because this isn't the infinite loop band, so it's not going to be as easy as just sliding it in. So this is how it looks. Right there. This is the Apple Watch stainless steel, the gold version, the 44 millimeter. Now my wrist is pretty small. My wrist is pretty small. So if you're buying this for size, you're definitely gonna want to go check it out yourself in the store, which size to get. If you feel like you have a small wrist but you're a guy, you probably still want the 44 millimeter. If you're really tiny wrist, then you probably want the 40 millimeter. But as a guy, I would say my wrists are pretty small, so if you're a guy, I definitely recommend the 44 millimeter. It just makes sense. So let's turn it on, see if it has some juice. Yep, has some juice there. see what it says. It's gonna have me go through the setup and everything, which probably not gonna do on this video. But while we're waiting, if you guys haven't liked this video already, do me a favor, smash the like button. We're gonna keep bringing these tech videos and stock videos to you every now and then. So stay tuned. We have some good information on the channel. Low battery. To continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. So typically these watches, they're supposed to come with like, typically like your electronics, they're supposed to come with a little bit of a charge left. So you should be expecting like 40% out of box, but if they've been sitting there for a while, then they're probably going to be dead. This Apple Watch is supposed to have good battery life, so hopefully we see 2 days charge. I don't think so. I think it's only good for a full day, but hopefully on my normal consumption we see 2 days charge. And I really like this one and the Series 5 for the OLED technology. This has the OLED screen. It has the always on screen. So you can always just look at your watch and you don't have to tap it to see the time, which is pretty helpful. If you're buying Series 4 or older, you're not really going to get that. So if you're buying right now in the early 2021, I wouldn't really recommend the Series 6. I'd recommend the Series 5 because it's very similar. And also the Series 4 is pretty similar to the Series 5 as well. But the main difference between the Series 4 and the Series 5, I would say, is obviously the price differences, and you can't get these on the at the Apple store. You would have to buy it third party, or like maybe Best Buy or somewhere has it. But the main difference I would say is that OLED technology. The screen isn't as bright. It's not going to have that always on display on the Series 4. It is going to have the always on display on the Series 5 and the Series 6. It does have some other like technology, like in the Series 6, you can actually, it has an adjustable, always running in the background altimeter. I think that's how you pronounce it, where it just tracks your altitude. So let's say you're hiking up a mountain and you just want to check your altitude. That's going to be pretty useful if you're that person. But when I'm hiking, honestly, I don't really care like what my altitude is. It's nice to know, but it's not going to make me jump from a Series 5 to a Series 6 because there's probably like $150 price difference or even more on the generations. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me down a comment down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.